Impact investing is a strategy that aims to generate positive social and environmental outcomes alongside financial returns. As awareness of global challenges increases, more investors are seeking ways to align their portfolios with their values. This growing demand for socially responsible investment options reflects a shift in priorities, where financial success is measured not only by profit, but also by the broader impact on society. Companies and funds are responding by offering products that address issues such as climate change, inequality, and sustainable development. As a result, impact investing is becoming an integral part of the modern financial landscape. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that use algorithms to manage investment portfolios on behalf of individuals. By automating the process, they analyze financial data and personal goals to recommend and adjust investments. This technology streamlines portfolio management, making it accessible to a wider audience and reducing the need for traditional financial advisors. Users benefit from lower fees, simplified account setup, and ongoing portfolio rebalancing, all handled by the robo-advisor. As a result, investing becomes more efficient and tailored to individual needs. Traditional impact investing presents several notable challenges for both individuals and institutions. One major obstacle is the complexity of research required to identify credible opportunities that align with specific social or environmental goals. Investors often face high entry barriers, such as substantial minimum investment amounts and limited access to reliable data. These factors can make it difficult for newcomers to participate and for seasoned investors to accurately measure the true impact of their investments. As a result, the process can be time-consuming and may deter those seeking to make a meaningful difference. Robo-advisors utilize sophisticated algorithms to analyze vast amounts of financial data, searching for investment opportunities that align with impact-focused criteria. These algorithms assess factors such as environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and corporate governance to filter potential investments. By systematically evaluating companies and funds, robo-advisors can identify those that meet specific impact standards. This approach allows for efficient portfolio construction that reflects both financial goals and ethical values. As a result, investors can pursue positive social and environmental outcomes while maintaining a diversified investment strategy. Personalization features empower investors to tailor their portfolios according to their unique social and environmental values. By leveraging these tools, individuals can select investments that reflect their priorities, such as supporting renewable energy or promoting fair labor practices. This approach enables a more meaningful connection between financial decisions and personal beliefs. As a result, investors can pursue returns while also making a positive impact on issues that matter most to them. Automated portfolio rebalancing ensures that your investments consistently align with your chosen impact goals. By continuously monitoring your portfolio, the system can detect when allocations drift from your targets due to market changes. Adjustments are then made automatically, helping to maintain the desired balance between financial returns and social or environmental objectives. This approach provides peace of mind, knowing that your investments remain true to your values over time. Lowering costs and reducing minimum investment requirements are key strategies in making impact investing accessible to a wider range of people. By removing financial barriers, more individuals can participate in investments that align with their values and contribute to positive social or environmental change. This shift allows not only wealthy investors, but also those with modest resources to support impactful projects. As accessibility increases, the potential for collective action and broader societal benefits grows. Ultimately, democratizing impact investing helps foster a more inclusive financial landscape. Robo-advisors are increasingly prioritizing transparency by offering detailed reporting on the social and environmental impact of investment portfolios. Through user-friendly dashboards and periodic updates, investors can easily track how their funds contribute to sustainability goals or social initiatives. These platforms often break down metrics such as carbon footprint, diversity scores, and community engagement, allowing users to make informed decisions aligned with their values. By providing clear, accessible information, robo-advisors empower individuals to understand and evaluate the real-world outcomes of their investments. When evaluating robo-advised impact portfolios against traditional investment options, several key differences emerge. Robo-advised impact portfolios are designed to align investments with specific environmental, social, or governance goals, while traditional portfolios often prioritize financial returns above all else. Recent studies indicate that impact portfolios managed by robo-advisors can deliver competitive returns, though performance may vary depending on market conditions and the chosen impact criteria. Additionally, robo-advisors offer automated rebalancing and transparency, which can appeal to investors seeking both convenience and values-driven strategies. Ultimately, the choice between these options depends on individual priorities, risk tolerance, and investment objectives. While robo-advisors offer convenience and automation for impact investing, there are important limitations to consider. These platforms may have restricted options for customizing portfolios to align with specific social or environmental values. Additionally, robo-advisors typically rely on standardized criteria to assess impact, which might not capture the nuances of individual preferences or emerging issues. Investors should also be aware that performance data and transparency around impact outcomes can vary between providers. It's essential to review the platform's methodology and ensure it matches your personal goals before committing to an impact-focused investment strategy. Several leading robo-advisors have embraced impact investing, providing users with opportunities to align their portfolios with personal values. For example, Betterment offers socially responsible investment portfolios that focus on companies with positive environmental and social practices. Wealthfront integrates ESG criteria into its investment options, allowing clients to prioritize sustainability and ethical governance. Another notable platform, Ellevest, specifically tailors its impact investing solutions to support gender diversity and women-led businesses. These case studies highlight how technology-driven financial services are making it easier for investors to support causes they care about while pursuing long-term growth. Getting started with impact investing through robo-advisors is straightforward and accessible for most investors. Begin by researching platforms that offer impact-focused portfolios, ensuring they align with your values and financial goals. Many robo-advisors provide questionnaires to help tailor investments to your preferences, such as environmental sustainability or social responsibility. It's important to review the fees, minimum investment requirements, and the transparency of each platform's impact measurement. Regularly monitor your portfolio to track both financial performance and the positive changes your investments are supporting. Looking ahead, robo-advisors are expected to play an increasingly significant role in shaping the landscape of sustainable finance. As technology continues to evolve, these platforms will likely offer more sophisticated tools for evaluating environmental, social, and governance criteria. This advancement can empower investors to make more informed decisions aligned with their values. Additionally, the integration of artificial intelligence may enhance the ability of robo-advisors to identify emerging trends and opportunities in sustainable investments. Ultimately, their continued growth could contribute to a broader adoption of responsible investing practices worldwide. In summary, robo-advisors are transforming the landscape of impact investing by streamlining the process and making it more accessible to a wider audience. Through automated platforms, individuals can easily align their investments with personal values and social goals, often with lower fees and minimal barriers to entry. These digital tools offer tailored portfolios and transparent reporting, empowering users to track both financial returns and positive impact. As technology continues to evolve, robo-advisors are helping to democratize responsible investing, ensuring that more people can participate in shaping a better future through their financial choices.